Yeah, now log off from administrator and log in with user 1 and you will be able to see those 3 accounts which we have onboarded. Now click on the user 1 and user 2. Why? Use a 1. Go to your wall server and see if it is up and running or not. But it was authentication error. I am sure the world would be running. You are right. Yeah, maybe this is the reason I just want to desperately go to cloud. But I tried today to reset my AWS account, which was dormant for like 4 or 5 years. I lost the MFA. Maybe I'll have to create a new account or something like that. We can't put this to automatic servers. Start process. Yeah. That services are. If you put a private server service as automatic, it should do right. Okay, it's logged in as user 1. Okay. Now you can see user 1 is having access to be a user 1. So always, access will be provided at safe level for the end user. So if you provide access to that particular safe, so whatever accounts you have onboarded to that particular safe, that end user will get access to all those accounts which were onboarded into that safe. Right. So you are everything in safe. Access will be restricted at a safe level. Yeah, perfect. Very good.